Do you know there are channels here on YouTube who are monetized and they have never gotten their paycheck? When I mean they have never made $100 on this YouTube platform for years. So guys, let's talk about it. So let's really talk about this same thing that is happening. It is very common here on YouTube. There are channels with a lot of subscribers. When I mean like 100,000 subscribers, 70,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, and they don't get paid. And I'm going to be sharing 3 reasons why this thing can happen to your channel. And yes, we know to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And imagine after getting this criteria, you cannot even make $10 on your channel. Let's dive straight into the video. Some creative lesson. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. So do well to like this channel, give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, because I'm always going to be here to share things that you need to know to help your YouTube journey. Now, sometimes I tell creators it's not just about getting 4,000 watch hour. The thing is, after your 4,000 watch hour, what next? Are you going to be making your threshold? Because for you to even get a paycheck here on YouTube, you need $100. And a lot of creators have actually done certain things on their channel that is limiting them to get this paycheck. Number one, when you monetize your channel by crook and hook. What do I mean by this? You're doing the fast track method to get monetized. Sometimes YouTube knows what they are doing. They actually want you to build momentum. For YouTube to tell you to get 4,000 watch hour, they know what they are saying. I know it's actually a whole lot, but trust me, if you can get this 4,000 watch hour organically, people came and they watched your videos for the right reasons. Emphasis on the right reason. Let's say you're trying to get monetized and you're uploading valuable content. Your content are great and people are coming to watch these contents, and that is boosting your watch hour, and eventually you get monetized. Believe me, this kind of channel never go broke. They keep on getting their paycheck every single month because they actually got monetized organically. When we say organically, like real, there was no fast tracking and no trying to manipulate the algorithm. So you need to understand something. While you're trying to seek the easiest method, quickest method, the fastest way, I understand it can actually be frustrating when you've been here for a very long time. You're doing everything you have to do, implementing everything you need to implement, and it looks as if it's not working, right? A little bit of this trick do not really hurt, but you know what really hurts the most? After getting everything and you cannot even make $2. It's crazy. So this particular mistake is what a lot of small YouTubers do. I've seen people who monetize their channel in 5 days, 8 days, 3 days, and at the end of the day, it's not just getting monetized. Are you really getting paid? Now, number 2, you now relax after monetization. You feel like, oh, I have arrived. This one is happening to a lot of creators, especially most of us who have really struggled to get the watch time, and you feel like, now that I'm monetized, YouTube start paying me. Don't relax. This is time to work. If you've been strategizing before, making great content, after monetization, this is the time you need to strategize the more. Bring out everything you've got, every talent the Lord has given to you. Yes, after the monetization process, you need to start creating the right content, and you're not just going to be posting randomly. This time around, you're going to be targeting your audience, because you need these people to keep coming back to watch your videos. So you need to give value, you need to give solution, and you need to be helping your audience. You need to understand the people you're creating your content for, and you need to know what they need. You need to answer them. Like, you need to meet their needs. This time around, they are meeting people's needs, and in meeting their needs, you are getting rewarded in return. That's just the basic truth. You just have to keep putting out this content the right way, you see the values, you don't need to cut down on it. If your audio quality was not great, this is the time for you to improve on it. If your video qualities were not great, this is the time to improve. In fact, after monetization, I believe at that moment a creator needs to just step up their game. Yes, you've done so well, you've done greatly well, and you've hit your monetization, but this time around you need to make it really great. When I mean great, you need to do everything in your capacity to bring out the right content. Now, the last thing I'm going to be saying in this video, which is something that you need to tackle before getting monetized, which is called your niche. See, the fact that people are getting their paycheck here on YouTube do not really mean that you just need to compare channels the same. Let me tell you the honest truth, there are hierarchies when it comes to making money here on YouTube. There are some niche that makes very low, when I mean low amount of money. If you like have 100,000 views, 200,000 views, their CPM will always remain low, RPM will always remain low, and this is because of the niche. Yes, so if you're going to be starting your YouTube journey, you need to pay attention to the kind of niche you want to go into here on YouTube. Not all niche pays the same. For YouTube growth niche, it's actually very fair enough, but I know for these channels that do vlog, the thing is I have come to realize that they don't really get enough money. Like, I think the channel is just too hyped, and the thing is they get a lot of views. I'm not here to discourage you. See, if you're into this a day in my life vlogging, wonderful, it's a great niche. See, if you're into this vlog and all this thing, the truth is their CPM and their RPM is very low, and despite the fact that they get a lot of views, because yes, these videos are quite relaxing, people just want to sit down and watch them, the thing is they don't really pay so high. But you see videos like finance, tech, health, tutorials, they're actually paying very well. But the thing is they struggle most times with views, because you barely get people who want to learn, who want to go into that educational niche. You need to pick your niche yourself. I'm just trying to be very soft spoken in this video so that you guys can really grab what I am saying. So making money on YouTube boils down on a lot of factors, and let me tell you the honest truth, if you know that, oh, you're coming on YouTube with a mindset of, once I get here, once I get monetized, I am made, I am going to be driving my dream car, my dream house, I understand, you can, and you definitely will be able to do that. But the thing is, there are a lot of factors that influences how people are making money. See, these influencers, these YouTubers will not tell you. They're just gonna tell you, oh yeah, I made this money, I cashed out, I made dollars, 5,000, 3,000. But the thing is, some of them are not even making it from their videos. Some are having sponsorship, some are even making it from affiliate marketing, some are getting brand deals. So before you now compare yourself with another person, you need to know what you're getting into. But notwithstanding, YouTube is an amazing platform. It helps you to grow, you evolve, you'll be able to meet new people, and yes, it is worth it. So guys, I hope you're able to structure your mindset and tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.